Hello everyone. In this chapter I want to talk about morphing or transforming one object into another. Maybe it's not wrong to say that morphing is one of the advanced topics in motion graphics, and when you learn these techniques entirely and you can transform any object into another, you can see that your works will stand one head and shoulders above the other works. As you can see in these examples, if you are professional in this technique, you will no longer have any restriction on morphing objects, and you can transform anything to everything you want best, not being so simple and at the beginner level. Generally, the best and most attractive parts of motion graphics are the scenes in which we use the morph technique and objects transform into another in it. If I want to talk about the simplest morphs, I should point out to these kinds of samples that some lines get morphed together. But these samples are way more vocational, in which the technique of masking, overlapping, frame-by-frame animation, or 3D simulation have been used. The important point in morphing that you should pay attention to is that there is no need that two objects get morphed together so reasonable. It is good enough when a viewer can imagine two objects have been transformed together, which for this we use high speed, color, shape changing, bouncing, or anything that can cause the distraction the audience so they can't detect the transforming process. So let's go and create a simple morph using shapes so that we get to know the basics and rules of morph practically while working. Well, these are the objects that I want to work on and morph into another. And the reason that I have selected these three objects